The message is becoming very, very clear. And I think a lot of people are going to be shocked on both ends. People within cryptocurrency who believe in it, and people who have resisted it. First they resist it, then they sue it, then they regulate it, then they join it. So I'm going to show you a video that was posted yesterday from Yahoo, from Senator Loomis and Gillibrand. But we have to really understand what they're saying. So the people within crypto, some are going to be very, very shocked when their favorite cryptocurrencies end up securities. And people outside of crypto are going to be shocked that they told everybody that crypto's a fraud and they're going to be operating on a cryptocurrency or blockchain. So both parties are going to be shocked extremely. That's why you can't be emotionally attached to the crypto market or any investment. You have to understand the intrinsic value, Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, the intrinsic value of these investments, and try to speculate or decipher, because that's all we're all doing, what direction they're going to go. There's going to be cryptocurrencies, there's going to be crypto commodities, and there's going to be crypto securities. And many of these influencers that have created cryptocurrencies are going to end up being crypto securities, and they're going to be held accountable around securities laws. And many of the cryptos, the 16,000 I think it is, or 18,000 cryptos in the market, a lot of them are going to be deemed securities. And that means that you're supposed to have an investment contract with the person that created it. And there's going to be some that are deemed cryptocurrencies. And trillions of dollars are going to come rushing into the market, creating massive amounts of price appreciation. And some are going to be commodities. They've already deemed Bitcoin as a commodity. Look up CFTC on the website, type in Bitcoin. So let's listen to Senator Loomis and Gillibrand talk about the new bill, or specifically how she breaks down the three different factors that they're looking at.
In fact, what the bill does is looks at digital assets and defines them by their characteristics. So a digital asset that has the characteristics of a security as defined by the Howey test, which is the legal standard, if it meets the Howey test, then it's a digital security. If it does not, and it is fully decentralized and has the hallmarks of a commodity, then it's a digital commodity. And so we're very clear that assets that are being offered to raise money, like a stock is for a centralized company, that's going to be a digital security because it qualifies and satisfies the Howey test. There's over 15,000 cryptocurrencies right now. Most of them, the vast majority of them, are going to be considered to be digital securities. So the workload by the SEC and CFTC will both be enormous. The one digital asset that has largely been considered to be a commodity by almost all experts is Bitcoin. And so Bitcoin regulatory framework will be under the CFTC because it is defined as a digital commodity.
So as your financial advisor, your tax accountant told you crypto's a fraud and don't get into it, well, the CFTC is already deeming it a commodity. Go type in CFTC website and type in Bitcoin. You'll see that it's a commodity. So what we're waiting for, and your financial advisor fudded you out of, and your bank fudded you out of, is us crypto investors who held the line, we didn't trip and we bought the dip and we dime in hand. We're waiting to see that the cryptocurrencies that we own, whether they're going to be securities, commodities, or digital currencies. If they're deemed digital securities, we got a problem, folks. Because that means we need a securities contract, or we have a legal security, illegal. We don't have a securities contract with that company. And people who started these cryptos are going to have some heavy litigation, and they're going to have to navigate through this. Influencers that started cryptos may have started illegal securities based on American law. So there's a lot of destruction coming, but also a lot of price appreciation. So have discernment. Don't be married to your crypto. Don't get fudded in and fudded out by these influencers trying to get you into meme coins. And use discernment and become an intelligent investor. We're deep in cryptocurrency with exit plans. We have diversified, ready for the price appreciation like we did from 21 to 2022, where we secured our wealth. And we put it into things like index universal life, infinity banking. We're starting to tap into real estate now. We've got into precious metals. Some warriors use gold. We use silver for barterability. And we have diversified heavily in business. Business is a great way to beat inflation. We beat inflation dramatically by starting, scaling, and growing companies through these digital ecosystems. This is the greatest time in human history to shift your family's wealth timeline. But there is no get rich quick. You need to learn patience, persistence, discipline, consistency, and everybody's teaching you how to earn when you should be rewiring the foundation to change the situation. So I hope this information reaches you well. Get ready for the fireworks, the biggest transformations you've ever seen from now to 2024, November 4th. Warriors, let's get your shit together. Let's go. Love you guys.